Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a short article about a new movie, Jurassic World, Rebirth, and it's made to help you improve your English vocabulary. So let's get started. Jurassic World, Rebirth is the latest installment in the Jurassic Park series. Installment means one part of a series, like a movie or book. This new film brings back dinosaurs, adventure, and, of course, danger. In Rebirth, scientists try to create a new type of dinosaur, but things go very wrong. Wrong means something bad happens, not the way it was supposed to. The dinosaurs escape, and people must fight to survive. Escape means to run away or get free. The movie is full of action and amazing visual effects. Visual effects are computer-made images you see in movies, like explosions or dinosaurs. There are dinosaurs running through cities, helicopters chasing them, and people trying to stop the disaster. One of the main characters is a young scientist who wants to help the dinosaurs, not hurt them. She believes they can live in peace. But not everyone agrees. To stay safe, the characters must try to survive. Survive means to stay alive in a dangerous situation. If you love action, science fiction, and big surprises, Jurassic World, Rebirth is a movie you should definitely check out. That's it for today. Let me know in the comments. What's your favorite dinosaur? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun English videos. See you next time.